Otter AI versus Temi usage experience. Welcome to my comparison of Otter AI versus Temi. Links to both platforms are included in the description for you to explore further. In this video, I'll break down their key features, who they're best suited for, and how they differ, so you can choose the right transcription tool for your needs. Otter AI is a powerful transcription tool designed for real-time and post-recording use. It's ideal for professionals, teams, and students who need live transcription during meetings, interviews, or classes. Otter integrates with popular platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, allowing seamless real-time transcription. Its features include speaker identification, keyword search, and collaboration tools, enabling users to edit, highlight, and comment directly on transcripts. Otter also offers a free plan with up to 300 minutes of transcription per month, while its premium plans provide more transcription hours and advanced features like voice print recognition. It's an excellent choice for those who require live transcription, organization, and team collaboration capabilities. Temi, on the other hand, focuses exclusively on post-recording transcription. It's designed for users who prioritize speed and affordability. Temi delivers highly accurate transcripts for pre-recorded audio or video within minutes, thanks to its AI-powered engine. It supports multiple audio formats and provides an intuitive editor that allows you to fine-tune the transcript while syncing it with the original audio. Temi charges a straightforward per-minute rate with no monthly subscriptions, making it an affordable choice for occasional users. However, it lacks live transcription capabilities, collaboration tools, and integrations that Otter AI provides. The key difference lies in their use cases. Otter AI is best for live transcription and team collaboration, making it suitable for professionals, remote workers, and educators. Temi excels in quickly processing pre-recorded content with minimal cost, making it perfect for journalists, podcasters, or anyone needing fast, affordable transcription. If you need real-time transcription and collaboration, Otter AI is the better option. For quick and affordable transcription of pre-recorded content, Temi is the way to go. Explore the links in the description to decide which tool suits you best.